How to terminate a Python subprocess launched with shell equals true. I'm launching a subprocess with the following command. However, when I try to kill using or, the command keeps running in the background, so I was wondering how can I actually terminate the process. Note that when I run the command with, it does terminate successfully when issuing the p.terminate.
Use a process group so as to enable sending a signal to all the process in the groups. For that, you should attach a session ID to the parent process of the spawned/child processes, which is a shell in your case. This will make it the group leader of the processes. So now, when a signal is sent to the process group leader, it's transmitted to all of the child processes of this group. Here's the code.
p.kill ends up killing the shell process and SEMD is still running. I found a convenient fix this by. This will cause SEMD to inherit the shell process instead of having the shell launch a child process, which does not get killed. p.pid will be the head of your SEMD process then. p.kill should work. I don't know what effect this will have on your pipe though.
If you can use sudo, then this works perfectly.
I could do it using. It killed the send_d.x and the program that I gave the command for. On Windows.
If you want to say anyway, yeah, I'll say subscribing.